Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x80004005 on Windows 11. In the first step, open troubleshoot settings, then open other troubleshooters, then click on run to Windows updates. Okay, now close this all windows. Go to search bar and type your services. Now scroll down, right click on this service and click on start. Once done, scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click on it, go to properties and select startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Again, do the same process for this service. Start it, click on apply and OK. Close this window, go to search bar and type your cmd, run it as administrator. Now type commands carefully. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. To execute them, just hit enter and wait for some time. Now go for this command. Then net start cryptsvc and hit enter. Then net start beats. Then net start msiserver. Now close command prompt and simply restart your system.